getting the internet may not be available error on Samsung Galaxy device. In this video, we'll show you the most effective troubleshooting steps and solutions that you can do to fix this problem. Restarting the device is a common solution to Wi-Fi connection issues. We suggest mimicking a battery pull, often known as a hard reboot, to reset your device before attempting any complex software fixes. Since this was not mentioned in the preceding description, we will presume it has never been attempted. The Wi-Fi connections in a device may be reset by forgetting the networks they were previously connected to. If you suspect that your Wi-Fi network settings may be at fault, doing this may help you fix the issue. Open the Settings app. Go to Connections. Go to Wi-Fi. Ensure that the Wi-Fi switch is turned on switch on. Tap the Wi-Fi network you wish to remove. Tap Forget. Clearing or resetting Android's network settings is another option for fixing network or connection problems. All wireless networks and their associated passwords, VPN configurations, and cellular data plans will be deleted. Before proceeding, ensure that you know how to reconnect to your wireless network or virtual private network. Open the Settings app. Tap General Management. Select Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. Tap Reset Settings. If you have set up a PIN, enter it. Tap Reset Settings. Once complete, a confirmation window will appear. A third-party app may be a contributing factor to your issue. Connecting to the faulty Wi-Fi networks while in safe mode will help you determine whether an app is interfering with Android or preventing Wi-Fi from operating correctly. All third-party programs and services will be terminated if you do this. If the Wi-Fi is functioning correctly in safe mode alone, then our hypothesis is correct. Follow these steps to reboot your device to safe mode. Press and hold the power button until the power off window appears, then release. Touch and hold power off until the safe mode prompt appears, then release. To confirm, tap safe mode. The process may take up to 30 seconds to complete. Upon reboot, safe mode appears in the lower left of the home screen. Keep in mind that while in this mode, you can only utilize the apps that came with your device. If the problem persists in safe mode, it's likely caused by a malicious program. Try uninstalling the most recent program you downloaded to see if it helps. This process is distinct from the one previously discussed, since it involves adjusting many aspects of your Android smartphone outside the applications themselves. The results are comparable to a factory reset, but without the inconvenience of losing any of your data or settings. Here are the measures to take. Open the Settings app. Tap General Management. Tap Reset Settings. If you have set up a PIN, enter it. Tap Reset Settings. Once complete, a confirmation window will appear. It may be necessary to patch inefficient or troublesome code in order to remedy certain errors. Only by putting in new updates will this be possible. Both the Android OS and the applications built for it share this characteristic. The best way to find out whether an update for your phone would solve the issue is to install it. Factory reset is your last resort after trying all other problem steps. This is useful for fixing issues brought on by flawed apps or software glitch. Here's what you need to do. Create a backup of your personal data and remove your Google account. Open Settings app. Scroll to and tap General Management. Tap Reset. Select Factory Data Reset from the given options. Read the information, then tap Reset to continue. Tap Delete All to confirm action. That's it. If you think that this video is helpful, we would appreciate it if you can leave a like, subscribe to our channel, or share this video to your friends. This can greatly help in making sure that Google's algorithm can find and recommend this video to others.